Hello, hello, good night to you. This is Dion and tonight we're going to go ahead and play some more Brotato game and we are ready to go ahead and play with the lucky character. And we are going to play it with the screwdriver today because, you know what, we're changing things up a little and we're going to see how it will go from there. We are going to see how it will go from there and that is fine. So, why the screwdriver? I don't know. Think it might be fun. So we're going to play with it like that. Let me see. What do we even? You like engineering? Alright. Not gonna lock this lemonade. And roll. I mean, you know how cheap these weapons are, right? Oh my god. Oh, nice. I exploded this. Let me just go and move and kill. So I don't know. Maybe it's like you pick up the skills, you hope for the different thing. Let me just think. What do we need? I will go ahead and grab this harvesting. Game, please. Game, please, really. What are you thinking? Give me the weapons that I want. Nah, but like, yeah, maybe I should have gone for the wrench. I don't know. Might have been interesting too, right? Yeah. Pick up this weapon, then immediately get rid of it to buy a wrench. Might be a smarter thing to do. I don't know. For now, I'm killing them fast enough. So maybe the jousting lens might then be even more interesting, right? I'll take it. Grab the damage, why not? The raw ones, I will lock these two. Because they're both sort of nice. They're both sort of nice, so yes. Okay. I'm gonna need to eat some fruit, please. Food, yes. I do like it. There will sometimes be a clump of enemies and then boom, 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 die. And 3% speed, thank you very much. 2 engineering, I'll take it. No. Let me just buy these. Roll and open something interesting. Yes. Oh, nice. And a screwdriver too. And you need to check out how much damage the screwdriver, like the explosions of the screwdriver will do, right? So yeah. Yeah, okay. Keep on walking, keep on trying to gain all the monies, please. Oh, nice, even a free item. It'll be anything. I mean, I'm gonna recycle this one. And then we are here, we see a whole bunch of stuff, which is not that great. Let's roll again and see 6% more speed. Yes, please. Let me just combine it. Triangle of power will be interesting. And screwdriver will be pretty nice again. Okay, let me see the difference, please, for this and this. 3 seconds faster, which is pretty fast. And 20% more damage. I think it will be fine to go for. Hopefully. I know it won't really help with mines, but on the other hand it will help with the luck damage. And that's also something, right? Yes. That wasn't hits. I don't... No! 2 hits already. What the fuck? Please don't. Keep on moving to the trees. I do want the lumberjack shirt. If I can have it. Will be really helpful. Yes. Alright, we got 2 items. Yes. Yes, please. I mean, in a lot of ways. Let me just grab this one first. Roll. Cork. Yes, please. I don't know if the potion tonic is truly that good. I mean, I don't think it can really hurt me, maybe. But on the other hand, I can also spend it on other stuff. And if you think about it like that, then maybe it's not that great. Because what does it do? It isn't really my main way of dealing damage, maybe. Yeah, it increases my range for a little bit. But does that really matter? I don't think. I'm not going to buy it. I thought about it some more. I locked it. I know it is one opportunity cost that I spent, but still, it's better to buy things and don't need it than the other way around. Right? Yes. Yes, it is. And fine, I'll take the wisdom. I don't think it's the best. I will buy the pumpkin. Let me just go ahead and grab this dodge then. I'm gonna grab this movement speed. Not going to buy it. I will, however, combine these to buy this one. Gonna buy them both. Another... No, I cannot buy this one. I can buy this one. I'm gonna lock the spicy. The spicy sauce, because it's still an explosion and it is some... Let's go and keep on moving. Yes. Keep on moving. Ooh, okay. Oh, it didn't even drop anything, which is unfortunate. Let's move and kill. Move and kill. Move and kill, yes. Alright, okay, the explosions are helping. The explosion. See, that's why the explosions are nice. Okay, and gain some HP, nice. And this is why the explosions are in fact a pretty nice thing, because they spawn pretty quick. The item is pretty cheap, and there are a lot of them. And I'll take the monkey. I will buy the Tyler. 8% damage. I'll take it. Let's combine. Let's buy this one. Roll. I'm gonna lock these two. Do you want the living armor? No, I don't want it, but I do want everything of these. So let's continue on. Yes. Yes, please. Oh my god, look at the amount of food that's dropping here. It's great. It will help. Oh yes, this is the wave that's the money wave, right? Because they're weak enemies. They drop a lot. They drop often. Oh no, that's not good. Please don't hit me. And just like that. Yes. Please keep on hitting. Keep on. Oh no. Okay. Like this is the hard part. Like if they are right on top of the loot, and I cannot grab it, which is quite annoying. Which is really annoying even, because it will make it a lot harder. Oh, 3 items, nice. Take it. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. 6% more movement speed, I'll take it. Let's buy everything. Roll. I'll take it. Roll. Wind teacher. Let me just buy this bait. Reroll once more. Screwdriver. Everything is great. Okay, so I did something stupid. As you saw, because of course I have negative attack speed. So, that's not smart to grab such an item when you have to grab the item that lowers my the spawns of my fruits and weapons. But anyways, I did it. I was stupid. Maybe it will pay off in the end. I hope so. If I can make it through this round, I made it at least through the 8% damaging enemy round part. So the bait. I got it. At least I didn't get baited, right? But oh my god, that was so scary. And I got low that often, right? So that's also not great. Let me just walk. Come on. Keep on alive. Yes, very good. Okay. I'll take now community support. Let me just roll. Really? I wanted the attack speed, but I cannot keep on rolling. Let me just think about this. Buy this one first. Then this. Then we're going to buy this item and then roll. Turret. Move speed. Armor. I mean, everything. I want everything, right? Yes, I want everything. Alright. Okay. Let's keep on seeing. So community support will help. I hope. Because if there are more enemies, then more mines will spawn. It will clear out the enemies, and then less mine, and then less mine. Yeah, it should be helpful. I do see a lot. Let me just look at this. Every 6 seconds now. Everything. Yeah, it's not yet at a good point, but it's fine. I think we can still make it work. I do think we can still make it work. If we gain some attack speed. Let's keep on moving. Moving through. Yes, please. Very good! No items, unfortunately. Don't really like these. Fine, I'll grab the luck. Not really like these. Roll. Find some more movement speed. Roll. I'm gonna lock these. Let me just lock it. Roll again once more. I will buy the cake. Oh my god, that was a big hit. Let's just stay away from these guys for now. And hopefully we will make it to the end of the wave. And there we are. And there we are. Yes. Maybe we get lucky and we are capable of killing the enemy tree. The enemy boss. It will be real awesome if it happens like that, but I don't think it will happen. I mean, a red item is always cool, but this is not the run for me. I think that I can safely, I mean ever, almost never, I feel like safe enough to truly kill the mini bosses. Alright, we survived another round. Recycle. I mean, recycle. 50% attack speed. I will combine this to buy this. Let's buy everything. Oh, okay, how fast do I attack now? This one is 13. 3. Okay, that's good. Tree engineering. Yes. I will have to buy it. Let's roll again. Another triangle of power. I will buy the pencil. Let's roll. No. No. Do I want this? Do I want more experience gain? I mean, it's still wave 13, but on the other hand, I think it's better to buy something else. At least I'm killing these now, which is nice. And that one turret will deal. Oh. No, my god, please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Yes, please. Oh, nice. There we are. Dodge. Yes, yes. Oh, yeah. Did you see that? I got almost hit, but then I walked into it and then I walked out of it again. Oh no, that was 2 hits in a row that I don't like. Those were not necessary, Dion. It's too much talking, less playing. Let's talk, more play, please. And another survival. Oh. Recycle you. Let me just grab this dodge, because of course it's a dodge. Roll. I mean, I do like the alien tongue, right? I mean, I do like the fruit. I mean, I do like this one. And I kind of do like this. So we might as well not roll. Because I want to buy them all. I'm going to stand here for now. And focus on minimizing the amount of... Oh my god, that was not what I wanted to do. I was not paying attention and that was me. Let's just stay here and go on, keep on hitting it. Alright. I need to move. Kill the tree. And then go down and eat a bunch of stuff. And keep on dodging, please. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, please. I do need... Oh my god. Ah, we survived. So scary. No, thank you. I'm gonna grab some more attack speed. Yes, yes. Hunting trophy, no thank you. Alright, next wave. We can still gain a little bit more. I mean, that item is expensive, but it's also so good. Still, super good. The amount of stats it grants for the amount of money it costs. I think so. Let's keep on dealing damage, please. Okay, let's stand here. Let him kill different thing. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. Why do you not drop any money? Why isn't... Oh my god. Oh my god. It's because it's already laying here on the ground, right? That was the problem. It's stupid that it works like that. Okay, but at least I got it. I got it. I'll take it. I'm gonna take it too. Fine, I'll take it. No, thank you. Gonna grab the attack speed. Yes, 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 yes. Roll. I mean, gonna lock the focus. And let me just lock all these two. And let's roll. Roll again. No, thank you. I will not buy these ones. This will still be 3, 6, 9 HP. Okay. That seems to me to be fine. Let's keep on hitting you. Yes. Good job. And there we are. Oh, nice. Super. Oh, kill it. Yes, please. Thank you very much. Yes. I am quite strongish. Okay, so see how small these loot things are, yes? And they were previously really big, and that is because they grow inward if you do not pick it up. It's like for the amount of particles it can drop, it's too much. So instead it will no. Not really liking these. One more movement speed? I don't think so. I think I'm gonna roll again. Oh yes, 12% dodge. Now we just lock it. I'm gonna lock this one too. Roll once more. And we continue on. And we gained a little bit of the stats, which is of course nice. Let me just heal up. Yes. Here. Give me... Let's kill these people. Oh my god, it's a lot of damage. Don't like it. I prefer HP, please. And let's just move. Move a lot. Because that will be more defensive than standing into a corner. Because if you move, you can gain and kill these enemies, gain the loot, it heals you, it kills them. So in every way, standing still is like a big mistake. And besides, I have a bunch of movement speed, so in that way, it's like, why not use the fact that you got invested in all this movement speeds to do. Oh my god. I'll buy it. I'm gonna buy this too. How can I buy it? Combine this one to buy this weapon. Unlock it. I don't know. I mean, this is fine. I will buy this one. Not going to go for the glasses. Do I want the alloy? I mean, I kind of prefer the dodge over 3 engineering, maybe. I think so. I think that I prefer the dodge over the engineering. Although it is a lot of engineering, of course. Let's stand here. Yes, please. Thank you. Let's stand close and hope for the best. Alright, I need some more damage, please. I do not like the fact that he's shooting at me. But on the other hand, that's the things that happens. Maybe okay, I am getting a little bit closer of killing him maybe, so I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful that it will work. Although it's like really scary. I don't really like to be the scared. No, please don't, please don't, please. Oh my god, okay, I didn't kill it, but I didn't die. I'll take it. Take it too. I need more range, so I'm gonna grab the engineering. Let me just buy these. No. And do we want this? 12 max HP. I mean, might as well lock it, right? But it is quite scary. I mean, I do have 201 luck, which is of course really nice. And I do gain a bunch of HP. I do gain 6 more HP and everything. So, how much damage do we even deal? 53 damage. And I do have this. And my attack speed right now is 115%. And how come? It's because of 2% attack speed for every 1% dodge. So, that is a lucky, nice combo. That it paid off. Okay, how fast do you even spawn? Every 2 seconds, every 5 seconds, every 7 seconds. Okay, that's really fast. every 2 seconds. It's insane how fast that is. Like, yeah. I see all the explosions, right? Yeah, give me some HP. I only need to dodge these guys, and let's not be stupid about it. And there we are, and yes. And okay, I'm not dropping any loot, you see? Which is troublesome, so let me just grab some loot, and then it will drop again. And oh my god, no! Oh, so scary. Alright. See, don't be stupid like me. Pick up, walk around. I'll take it. For engineering, I'll take it. No, I don't think so. Do we want riposte? Or do we want this? I'll buy this. Fine, I'll buy the riposte. Let's roll. Oh yes. I can buy one more screwdriver, which is really nice. I mean, it doesn't even matter, right? That I'm locking it, but it's for the fun. It's for the fun. I don't think I got any tape. Oh no. I did not get any tape. What is my attack speed? 50% every 2 seconds. This is normally 12. It's now 7. Wow. Wow, it's so fast. Alright. And it will only get bigger because, of course, the enemies will spawn. Let's just not even bother with killing them. And survive for the next 80 seconds. And it will be fine enough. I think it will be fine enough. And they're all dead. Yes. Give me the loot. Come close to me, please. And yeah. I do like the explosion that they are this big, right? So they clear out a lot of the enemies. And of course I have a bunch of explosions. Not only the mines, but also like me just eating some fruit is also an explosion. And this is the only way where not a lot of enemies will spawn, which will in fact reduce the amount of damage I can do in a certain way. Because you know, killing them deals damage. Even when it's not that controlled. And look at me, I don't even care. I mean, look at the amount of times hits I get. Does it really matter? I don't think so. I am getting halfway close, but to killing them, I mean, yeah. But it was not. So it's quite interesting. I mean, this didn't do anything, but it was still free. 10 more money, 10 more harvesting. So, you know, it was late. I don't care. This did give a bunch of HP. That was helpful. And I did have a bunch of HP reaching in the end, which I didn't even go for. And then I got it like close to free and buy it. Yeah, I do look at this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red items, which is very nice. And of course, I took a really risky gambit of going for improved tools. And it got real close, but it paid off in the end. And this is like also like, yeah, 60% damage increase, but I lose a lot of damage. Anyways, I'm quite happy about the result. How this match went. I thank you all for watching. I wish you all a very great life and a very great night. And a very good goodbye. Ciao, ciao.